Just wanted to introduce my new collection of brooches. I made these back in 2023, but only just recently finished the packaging. Each brooch has been hand painted, they're one of a kind. This collection specifically features dogs. Each painting is then mounted in these wooden bases and sealed in resin. The box includes a little hidden letter to anyone that owns this brooch, and it's a handwritten note just to introduce you to each dog individually. They are currently available on my website for sale. I will include the link below.